Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family and thank you so much for joining the family. If you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much YouTube for doing so. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Christmas DIY and Decor, and it is hosted by the DIY Mommy, and she is an amazing creator. You have to go and visit her channel, and I would also leave a link for her channel in my description box as well as the playlist. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to do a flower arrangement for Christmas. So this is one of the flower vase that I got from Dollar Tree, and I decorated this already with green diamond wrap, and here in the neck and also on the top of the flower vase, and I stuck some of the red diamonds on the top, and I'm going to use this to do the flower arrangement for Christmas. So let me see what are all the flowers I have. So I have like red poinsettias, and I have like champagne color, and I have like some shiny berries, and one more Christmas bouquet. And I'm going to use some of the ornaments, the golden color. I'm going to do like a vase filler, and I'm going to use a couple of ribbons, the gold, silver, and again silver. So yeah, with all this I'm going to decorate the flower vase. So let's get started. final results of both the projects. My flower vase, I decorated it with Christmas decor, all the Christmas flowers and bow. And this side, the candle holder decor. And I gave like a red candle on top of it. So yeah, I'm going to decorate this 2 projects just like this. I hope you enjoyed working along with me as much as I did. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.